What's going on, y'all? Got my Evolve 50 by EV saying amp down. Happened at my last gig. I went through all these settings and couldn't figure out anything. Tried to reset it and everything, so I figured it's time to take it apart and check it out. Once I got it open, I just checked over some of the electronic components to make sure none of them were burnt up. Figured I checked some cables to see if they were secure, and I found that this ribbon cable was a little loose, so I popped it back into place at the display board, and I could feel it pop right into place. Plugged it back in to see if that fixed it. Waiting for it to power on, and sure enough, amp down is gone. Problem solved.